tweed, a winter's timeless favorite, a darling of the fashion industry, is back in the Aura style collection with a modern twist. Ever since our first tweed release in 2019, we've been eager to reintroduce it with fresh designs. After countless rounds of color and material pairing, we are thrilled to bring this charming fabric back in 2 exciting new styles. Introducing the Tweed Sugar Spice Symphony and Tweed Houndstooth. Soft and textured, it's the perfect cover for your beloved planners. Two classics and each with its own unique vibe. This collection is available in 3 different sizes, A5, B6, and weeks, featuring our classic airy layout. In this collection, we've added a super adorable and functional magnetic clip. You could use it as a today marker, or use it to attach any loose items to your planner. Or maybe use it on its own as a sticker clip. The magnet strength are adjusted for easy clipping, but also strong enough to clip up to 15 sticker sheets. As our Aura style tradition, every planner is designed with heart and made with premium craftsmanship. The airy layout features our classic front pocket, 4 fully lined durable card slots on a large secretarial pocket, a small rounded corner front pocket, 2 large side pockets to slide in your planners, and our signature and patented thickness adjustable strap system. To perfectly adjust to the thickness of your planners. And of course, 2 elastic pen loops to bring your favorite pens on the go. And as always, a pack of complimentary elastic strings are provided to convert your cover to a TN system at any time if needed. And click this link if you wanted to check out the many ways to string your planners. And if you wanted to add any color strings, the product link is in the description down below. And you guys, for the first 48 hours of this release, enjoy free shipping within the US on orders over $100 or a $10 postage discount on international orders. Check the description down below for more details. And finally, save the date. Exciting things are coming on October 27th at 10 a.m. PST. Don't miss this release.